In this guide, I'm going to show you how you could fix your Switch or Switch 2 if it's not charging and won't turn on. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. First things first, remove your Switch from the dock itself and unplug the AC adapter from the dock and plug it directly into the bottom of the Switch. Make sure it's firmly connected and now leave it plugged in for at least a few minutes, ideally longer, to allow the battery to build up some charge. After it's been charging, press and hold on the power button at the top of the Switch for about 10 to 15 seconds. Keep holding it the entire time even if nothing happens, and after 15 seconds, I recommend counting out loud for this, go ahead and release that button and then press the power button once normally, and hopefully your Switch will turn back on then. If it still doesn't turn back on, unplug the charger, look inside the charging port at the bottom of the Switch, and check for dust or debris that could be blocking the connection. You can use a small brush or compressed air and just gently clean that port and plug it back in and try again. If your Switch battery is completely drained though, try removing the Joy-Cons, let the console charge again for several minutes, and then press and hold the power button again to turn it back on. Sometimes this will help the system boot properly. But if nothing has worked so far, the issue itself might be with the charger. Make sure the cable is securely connected on both sides, and if possible, try using another USB-C cable or an official Nintendo Switch charger, and then plug it back in, try powering it on again, and one of these methods should fix your issue. If you guys are still having any issues, let us know down in the comment section below, and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out, lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.